In the world of cybersecurity, understanding network traffic is paramount. Picture a bustling highway, where each vehicle represents a packet of data. Just as we monitor traffic to ensure smooth transit, network traffic needs similar management to keep digital ecosystems running smoothly. Now imagine if you could look inside each vehicle, inspecting its contents while it's still moving at full speed. That's the kind of introspection Wireshark provides. As an open-source network protocol analyzer, Wireshark allows us to delve into the minutiae of network traffic, dissecting each packet to unearth its contents. It's like having a magnifying glass that can zoom into the atomic level of the digital world. Understanding network traffic isn't just about maintaining smooth operations. It's about securing the integrity of our digital landscapes, preventing breaches, and ensuring the privacy of millions of users. Enter Wireshark, the ultimate network protocol analyzer. Wireshark is an open-source packet analyzer widely used for network troubleshooting, analysis, software and protocol development, and education. This power-packed tool didn't just appear out of thin air, it has a history. Initially, it went by the name Ethereal before adopting its current moniker, Wireshark. Now let's delve into what makes Wireshark tick. Its feature list is a long one, but we'll touch on some of the standouts. First off, it's capable of live capture. This means it can seize and analyze network traffic as it happens in real time. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. With Wireshark, you can dive deep into hundreds of protocols, unpacking each and every one to understand their inner workings. It's like having a magnifying glass for your network, allowing you to scrutinize every bit and byte. But what if you want to revisit this data later? Well, Wireshark has you covered there too. It lets you save captured data for offline analysis, so you can dissect your network traffic at your own pace whenever and wherever you want. All these features make Wireshark a powerful tool, but it's important to remember that it's just that, a tool. And like any tool, it can be used for both ethical and unethical purposes. So as we explore its capabilities, let's bear in mind the timeless adage, with great power comes great responsibility. Today, we'll focus on the ethical use of Wireshark. When we talk about hacking, it often conjures images of nefarious individuals stealing data and causing havoc. But there's another facet to hacking, one that's not only legal, but crucial to our digital security. It's called ethical hacking. Ethical hacking, also known as white hat hacking, involves using the same tools and techniques as malicious hackers, but with the aim of identifying vulnerabilities and fixing them before they can be exploited. Wireshark, with its powerful network analysis capabilities, is an essential tool in the ethical hacker's arsenal. Let's take a closer look at 4 main ethical uses of Wireshark. Firstly, network troubleshooting. Network administrators use Wireshark to dissect network traffic, identify problems, and ensure smooth network operation. By observing data packets in real time, they can pinpoint bottlenecks, errors, and other performance issues. It's like being a detective, but instead of inspecting a crime scene, you're examining network traffic. Secondly, security analysis. Wireshark is invaluable for monitoring network traffic for signs of suspicious activity. This could be anything from unauthorized access attempts to malware infections or data breaches. By examining network traffic in depth, ethical hackers can identify potential threats and take action to mitigate them before they cause harm. Thirdly, protocol development. Network protocols are the rules and conventions that govern communication between devices on a network. Wireshark allows developers to see these protocols in action, helping them understand how they work and how they can be improved. It's like being able to peek under the hood of a car to see how the engine works. Lastly, education. Wireshark is not just a tool for professionals, it's also an invaluable resource for students learning about cybersecurity and network analysis. By working with real-world network traffic, students can gain practical experience and a deeper understanding of the theory they learn in the classroom. So Wireshark is not just a tool for prying eyes, but a powerful instrument for good, helping to secure our digital world against ever-evolving threats. However, it's important to remember that it should always be used ethically and responsibly. Using Wireshark to spy on others or steal data is not only unethical, but also illegal. In the right hands, Wireshark can be a force for good, empowering ethical hackers and network professionals to secure the digital world. Remember, With great power comes great responsibility. In our quest to understand network traffic, we've embarked on a journey into the world of Wireshark, the ultimate network protocol analyzer. This open-source packet analyzer is a powerhouse, offering a detailed peek into the inner workings of our digital world. From its humble beginnings as ethereal, Wireshark has evolved into an invaluable tool for network troubleshooting, analysis, software and protocol development, and education. Its unique ability to capture and interactively browse network traffic in real time offers users an unprecedented level of control and insight. But as we've seen, Wireshark is more than just a tool for network administrators. It's a vital ally for ethical hackers, enabling them to identify vulnerabilities within a system before they're exploited by malicious entities. Through its use, network problems can be diagnosed and solved, suspicious activities monitored, and new network protocols developed and tested. Moreover, Wireshark serves as a practical, hands-on educational tool for cybersecurity students, offering them the opportunity to gain real-world experience. Yet, it's important to remember that Wireshark, like any tool, can also be used for unethical purposes. That's why it's crucial to always uphold the principles of ethical hacking and responsible use. In the right hands, Wireshark can be a force for good, helping secure the digital world one packet at a time. So whether you're a network administrator, ethical hacker, software developer, or a cybersecurity student, Wireshark offers a world of possibilities. To delve deeper into the world of Wireshark and cybersecurity, learn more at bp-coding.